How to create a new Gmail account? In order to create a new Gmail account, you just have to follow all the steps given on this video so that you won't make any mistakes during creation of new Gmail account. So open Gmail application and then once you are logged in on your existing Gmail account, you just have to tap on profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then you will find the option of add new Gmail account. You just have to tap on it. Then on the section you need to select the Google option. Then you have to verify that it's you by scanning your fingerprint. Then you will get access to this page where you can see the option of create account. Let's tap on create account button. So you have to choose whether it's for personal use or for business. Here you need to enter your name where surname is optional. Then tap on next button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you need to enter your basic information, that is your birthday and gender, then tap on next button again. Here you can easily pick a Gmail address or you can create your own. Then after you create your Gmail account's name, you have to enter the password here. If you want to recheck your password, you can tap on show password button and recheck it. Then tap on next button again at the bottom right corner of the screen. On this page, if you wish to add phone number to your account, you can add. Otherwise, tap on escape at the bottom left corner of the screen. You can easily review your account info. Let's tap on next button. On this page, you have to go through all the privacy and terms and scroll and tap on I agree. Wait for a few moments and then you will be taken to the application itself. As you can see at the top right corner of the screen, the AMP symbol, that means that mistake accounts Gmail account has already been successfully created and I already have switched to that account as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.